So back outside again, just wanted to show, so from an added value point of view, this already has planning approval. So we can get building out those units already, don't necessarily need to build the extension. So we could actually recoup some of the money by building out phase 1 and recouping some money before we do phase 2. We might need to lay a concrete foundation to prepare for phase 2, which is building out the extension, or depending on the budget, might actually build it all out in one go and just actually secure the planning approval and get refinanced and then go again. The other planning potential gain is in the office area there. If we can persuade the council to let us change that to residential use, then we get another flat out of that space too. So that's another way to increase the value. And then of course we've got this area here, which is there's like a workshop, and as I'm walking out into the street trying to avoid getting run over, you can see there's the access point. I'm going to turn around, and what can you see? You can see 2 terrace houses which are pretty much the width of this. So we could either build 2 terrace houses, which is in keeping with the area and would probably be an easier planning approval to gain, or we could do something similar to what we have here and just build out, maybe 4 flats in this sort of space as well. But I suspect the easiest and possibly the most complementary planning is going to be to build 2 terrace houses. So the idea here is to section off this piece of land. There's going to be a separate plot, and we're going to go for planning approval separately on this particular place. So that's how I plan to actually develop this particular project. Thanks for watching.